Siguraduhin po lamang na nakabit ng maayos ang inyong mga seatbelts. Please prepare for landing, cabin crew landing station. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport and now taxiing towards the Centennial Terminal 2. Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to complete stop and is properly parked. At this time, communication between the flight deck and the control tower is still ongoing. For this, may request our passengers to please refrain from switching on your cellular phones until after you have disembarked. Before deplaning, however, may we remind you to check your seating area for any items you might leave behind. On behalf of Philippine Airlines, with Captain Gabriel Piamonte, First Officer Van Magbano, and the rest of your Airbus 320 cabin crew, namely Pray, Beth, Norman, and this is Beth thanking you all for flying with us. It was indeed a pleasure to have you on board, and we hope to see you again soon in one of your future flights. May you have a pleasant stay in Manila as well as your final points of destination. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po. Mga binibining at Ginoo, kalalapag po lamang natin sa pandaigdigang paliparan ng Ninoy Aquino, tayo patungo na sa pangalawang himpilang Centennial. Maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatili po lamang na nakaupo at nakakabit ang mga seatbelts. Huwag po munang kunin ang mga carry-on baggage kapag ating eroplano ay ganap ng nakahintaw at nakarating na tayo sa himpilan. Pinapaalala po namin sa mga pasahero ng paggamit po ng cellular phones ay mahigit pa rin po ipinagbabawal at bago po kayo bumaba, tiyakin po lamang na bitbit na ninyong lahat ng inyong mga kagamitan. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, si Kapitan Gabriel Piamonte, unang opisyal pagbanwa at lahat ng aming mga kasama, ako po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Inaasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita sa susunod ninyong paglalakbay. Paalam na po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. For passengers with immediate connecting flights, our ground personnel at the transfer desk located at the arrival area will be most happy to assist you. And time check for your convenience, it is exactly 48 minutes past the hour of 8 in the evening, 22nd of September 2008. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, dagang salamat ninyong pagsakay uban kanamo. Kami nang hinaot na magkita-kitang pag-usap sa umabot pa ninyong pagbiyahe. We would also like to acknowledge and thank the Lyceum of the Philippines University with their HRM Tourism and HRM Cruise Line students. Yours truly from PAL and Nirvana Travel and Tours. Once again from Philippine Airlines, maraming salamat po, mabuhay, and good evening to all. Malibay pag-abot din sa Cebu, sa Manila.